How to fix the issue where the templates are missing from Canva. So if you don't see this tab right here, which is called templates, here's how to fix that issue. So the first thing you'll need to check is to open up the Microsoft Store, and if you have installed CapCut through the Microsoft Store, that's probably one of the reasons that you cannot see the templates tab. So make sure to completely uninstall CapCut if you got it from here. Look for CapCut and then just uninstall it. You can go to your library and find it here and then uninstall by clicking the three buttons here if it's installed, or the three horizontal dots. So if you click on it, and you should see an install option. Make sure to uninstall it from there and then open up a new browser tab and search for CapCut, or go to CapCut.com and you can download it from here, from this button. Click on download for free and then just follow along the steps to install the CapCut application. And once you finish installing it, you will need to create an account if you don't have one already. So go to the sign in page, CapCut.com/login, and then make sure to create an account or sign up for a new one if you don't have one already. And then once you install it, you will need to open it up and then click on the login button in the application. And if you're signed in, you should see this button right here, which when you click on it should bring up your account or profile. And then you will need to restart CapCut as admin, so you can close this and then find CapCut again, right click and run as admin. And once you run it as admin, you can click on templates. It should bring up the templates tab here, and when you click on it, it should load all the templates available. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.